how to find Twitter URL on your mobile phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your Twitter URL on mobile. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, you need to go ahead and open up Twitter. Once you're in the Twitter, you can see your profile icon located in the top left corner of your screen. Simply go ahead and tap on that. Once you're here, you need to tap on profile over here. Now that you're in your profile, you can see the share icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Simply go ahead and tap on that. Now from here, you can share your profile to different social media platforms, or if you want to simply copy your profile, you can see an option that says copy link to profile. So simply go ahead and tap on that. And as you can see that the link has been copied to the clipboard. And that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and comment down below to let us and others know. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.